Hi everyone, in this video we can talk about how to schedule text on iPhones. But first of all, let's hit that like and subscribe button, it really helps me out. So for this to happen, you have to download the app Shortcuts and open it. You can download it from the App Store and then you go all the way down and you click on Automation, and below the three options is the middle one, and then you click on the blue button Create Personal Automation, click on it, and then click on the first one, Time of Day. So now you want to think about, okay, when do I want to send a message? So let's time of day, let's hit 6 o'clock. And let's do that on a week. No, let's do that daily. Then click on next and then make sure you click on the first option, send message. Click on it. And then on the message, click on it and you can click your message. Hi, how are you? And you click on recipients to search for someone you want to message. And after that, you click on next. And now you just only have to check everything. Okay, when at 6 o'clock daily, and what am I going to do? It's going to send a message. And you can also enable ask before running or disable it and it will automatically send it. So this is what you can do to make sure your texts go automatically. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.